2019 की बात है, जून का महीना था और थोड़ा-सा रिमझिम बारिश हो रहा था। मैं एक टपरी पे चाय पी रहा था उस वक़्त, तो मैंने एक सामने रोड्स के दूसरे साइड एक थोड़ी-सी भीड़ देखी, एक पोस्टर। लोग पोस्टर के सामने फ़ोटो खींच रहे थे, सेल्फ़ीज़ ले रहे थे। शायद वो सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे कोई लोग उस मोमेंट्स को। कुछ लोग इमोशनल्स थे और मैं देख रहा था अपनी चाय पीते-पीते उस वक़्त। तो मैंने सोचा क्या है कि मैं क्रॉस करके देखूँ और मैं वहाँ पे गया। मैं भी देखने के बाद मैं भी अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया। अप मैंने भी वहाँ पे एक फ़ोटो निकाला और वही फ़ोटो से सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर कर दिया। तो एक्चुअली वो जो पोस्टर था वो युवराज सिंह का पोस्टर था, वन ऑफ द माय फेवरेट क्रिकेटर। उसकी रिटायरमेंट का, वी मिस यू यूवी। और उस उसको देख के मुझे लगा कि मोमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो प्राइसलेस होती है, मोमेंट्स का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता। सो कैन कैन वी यूज दिस मोमेंट्स इन आवर बिजनेस टू ग्रो आवर बिजनेस, लाइक करंट टॉपिक्स, जो भी हो, कोई सेलिब्रिटी शादी हो या फिर ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स हो, इमोशनल टॉपिक्स हो, किसी क्रिकेटर का रिटायरमेंट हो, अपने फेवरेट प्लेयर्स का कोई अचीवमेंट्स हो, तो क्या can we use these moments to grow our business? Yes, definitely. It's called as moment marketing. So before we start, if you are new to channel or you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update in the future. Hello everyone, I am your friend Nagesh Ange. Welcome to my channel Think and Grow India. Uh, we see the companies are spending $1 billion on their advertisement to just catch your attention and register their brand in your mind. So those companies who have a maximum attention, they have maximum customers, and maximum customers come with a maximum sale. So it's a simple principle. So for that they do celebrity endorsement, various ad campaign. They run their ad through televisions, their OTT platform. They sponsor the events and television, daily soap, TV shows. They sponsor, but it's very costly, and it's cost around crore rupees, in the crore rupees. But there is another way, with the with the low cost, we can be a top of the town. Is the moment marketing. For the moment marketing, you just need a solid moment with a creative team and right timing, so we can share with the peoples, and we can be a talk of the town. Like if it as per the research shows, the 80% people on the social media, they share only memes. They use social media for sharing just memes, like various memes they share. So how we can see the how big the market is. That if you take the example of Amul is the master of moment marketing. They do more than 40 years, from since 40 years they do the same moment marketing, and they never miss any moment. वो चाहे बॉलीवुड मूवी रिलीज होना हो, या किसी सेलिब्रिटी की शादी हो, या फिर किसी क्रिकेटर का रिटायरमेंट हो, या कोई हैप्पी इमोशनल मोमेंट हो, दे नेवर मिस एनी मोमेंट्स. एंड दैट्स व्हाई अमूल इज वन ऑफ द big brand that registered in the people's mind. There's the somewhere is moment marketing also. I have a contribution in that cute girl, and also this is one of the longest campaign run by ever any company, that cute girl Amul. We'll discuss the how can we design our moment marketing campaigns, how can we select the moments, and what are the moments we can select. Like, we will discuss about this. We can select the quick moments. Those are the like raining or airing issues in the in a society. So power cut like that. And if you take the example of the Mumbai, when there is a in past there is a power cut happen in the Mumbai, so many companies are share their memes. Their or if you see the Fasos, Andheri ho ya Andhera, we still delivering. Then Monginis, have a break, take a break, have a cake, and so many companies are shared the meme, and they get huge response from the crowd. Mumbai moment is Rahul Bose moment. Rahul Bose, who he's a Bollywood actor and he stay in JW Meerut. That time he come from the gym and he ordered 2 bananas, and for that JW Meerut had charged around 440 rupees for that 2 bananas. तो उसने उसे पोस्ट कर दिया सोशल मीडिया पे कि अरे भाई ये क्या हो गया, 2 केले का 442 रुपए. So that for that and many companies had to take the advantages of that moment, and first Anchor has release their memes with the we can't save from the 440 rupees 442 shocks, but we can save from the 440 shocks like that. हम आपको 442 के शॉक से तो बचा नहीं सकते, लेकिन आपको 440 वोल्ट के शॉक से तो बचा सकते हैं, लेकिन वो स्केले का सिम्बॉल्स एंड लाइक दैट. देन नेचर बैकसेट रिलीज द मेम. यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज नो रीजन टू से नाना टू आवर बनाना. आपका हमारा कोई रीज़न ही नहीं बनता कि हम आप हमारे बनाने को आप ना कहे, बिकॉज हम 14 रुपये में 2 केले देते, वह तो आपको 442 में दे दिए थे. देन we see Star Weeks Quick, this is the online shoppings. They said अरे 400 रुपये में 442 में तो 442 में सिर्फ 2 केले मिल रहे हैं, हम क्या क्या देते हैं, इतने सारे फ्रूट्स देते हैं 442 रुपये, तो खरीदना चाहोगे, आओगे. So many companies that take the advantage of the moments, and Pizza Hut also release the meme with the we just to offer the pizza in 99 rupees. आप खाना चाहोगे, because in 442 rupees moments, and this Rahul Bose hashtag Rahul Bose moment. So how can we can use the trending topics? Then we can use we can use controversies topics also, like recent controversy we can see between the Coca-Cola and Cristiano Ronaldo. In the conference, Cristiano Ronaldo that keep aside that Coca-Cola bottles, and he waved the water bottle to the peoples and just his tale. So stop drinking Coca-Cola and drink waters, mineral waters. Actually, it's true. Is mineral water is 1,000 times better than the Coca-Cola. It's my view. And that day, Coca-Cola bear around 16,000 to 17,000 crore loss due to that 25-second video conference. We can there's many Indian companies that take advantages of that moment. Fevicol is the first company, Pidilite is the first company to take the advantage of that moment. They release meme with this bottle. That bottle is there on the conference hall table, and this below that written this na bottle hattegi na valuation ghategi. Then Paytm, after that Paytm has released that 2 lemon soda bottles, and you can pay through Paytms and have a lemon soda bottle. And then Bisleri also do the same campaign. So like the greatest player, quench your thirst posters, and so many companies use that moment as to register their brand with register their brand to their customers' mind. So they share so many memes on that that moment. So we can also do that. If you are a small town and you have just chai ki tapri or that, and we can do that. So we can take, instead of that water bottle, we can put one chai glass and one small water bottle like that. We can put that. And if you are a lemon soda retailers or like that, so we can put that lemon soda instead of the waters, and drink the lemon soda, which is compared to better than the Coca-Cola. So we can do that. We share the that moments with on your Facebook page or your Instagram page, and we don't know which memes and we can gonna viral and and we can be a talk of the town, or we can attract the maximum customers. We can do it's low cost, but for that we need a creative, and while making the meme we should take care of that. It should not have any religions or any community, so it costs you badly. So this time you have to take the precaution, and take the moments and take the advantage of the moment as soon as possible. After 4 to 5 6 hours, when so many memes has come on that, people are get fed up at this. No. So try to take the advantages as soon as possible of that moment. And if you like the video, you can make the meme on that also. If you like the video, please share the video with your friends and families members, so they will get the benefit of that. And please like the button and subscribe. And if you have any new suggestion, you can mention comment below in the comment box. I personally read the comments.